So now is the time where we just go into the silence as we listen to the beautiful music. Slowly close your eyes. Let go of the day. And carry that thought into the silence. I am light. I am love. I am free. Just slowly repeat that to yourself. And as you do that, just welcome in Spirit. Visualize this light coming down, going into your heart and filling you. And just for a few moments, have this thought of being held by God. In this moment, here and now, give yourself permission. Tell yourself, I can be held by God. I can be held in love. I can be held in light. I can be free. Take that in. And feel that deep within your soul. That love, that light, that freedom. And just for a moment, let your soul be free. Imagine what that would be like. Maybe you see yourself doing a little dance with God. Maybe you see yourself holding a loved one, hugging a tree, splashing in the water. Whatever it means for you. Just know this. You are free. You are free. You are free. Because that is how God has made you to be. And it's with that thought as we go deeper and deeper into the presence. Feel the presence that's here now. Welcome it in. And just bathe in it. This love is waiting to be received. So just receive it. It's here for each and every one of you. There's no restrictions. You didn't have to do anything to receive this love other than to say, I'm ready to receive this love. That's it. And so in the last few moments that we spend here, maybe do something special with that love, with that freedom, with that joy. Maybe you can share it with somebody, a friend, somebody in your family, somebody that needs a little bit of extra love and light and joy and freedom. So maybe share that. Just know that it has no bounds. There are no restrictions. You are able to send it anywhere you'd like.